Hey guys, so we have a playhouse and here we have the parts. This is the poles and the actual house itself and some lights. So we're gonna build it up and see what it looks like in the end. Here we have the finished product, and as you can see, it's pretty big. It did take us a while. It took about like 20 minutes max to just build everything, to see which size the poles are and stuff, and it just came out perfect, and it's perfect for little kids. And it has even a little door right here, as you can see.
It's a little playhouse put together in 20 minutes. Curtains in here. You can put this outdoor, indoor for bugs. Plenty of space for adults too. Oh, look at this. Let's see how tall she is. This is a tall girl here, and she fits in here. Now they want to kick her out because she's not paying rent. Oh, it has no curtains.